Hello everyone, this video is from SAP Learning Academy, and in this video today I will explain about ERP solution and where ERP is used. Okay, so today I will show you two views. One is the detailed view where the ERP is used, and another is the simpler view where actually we don't see much of ERP. So first let me tell you about the simple view. Suppose you have a vendor, there's a store or mall, and there's customer. So what store does, the store manager buys the materials from the vendor, and after that they sell it to customer. So in this kind of cases where the store is small or the organization is very small, so in those cases we don't use ERP. ERP is used here where the organization is larger. So in those cases we need some software which can handle all the parts of the organization like SCM, finance, sales, BI, CRM, human resource. So the organization, mainly the large organization, needs all kinds of modules to smoothly handle their business. So I will briefly I will explain the modules. So let me talk about SCM. What is SCM is? So SCM is supply chain management. Actually this module is responsible for flow of goods and services. So mainly it is responsible for any kinds of purchase from vendor. And also one thing to note here is that all the modules in ERP are integrated. It means it can communicate from one module to another without any problem. Suppose this module SCM is buying some material, so it has to be connected with finance, because finance need to approve or disapprove the material, because whether it will check whether it has money or not. So all the departments, all the modules are interconnected so that it can communicate to each other. Yeah. So we have SCM, we have finance, and also there's a CRM. CRM is customer relationship management. So it is related to customer relation, any kinds of issue with customer, or issuing issuing discount card or any automated reply. So those are engaged with customer. So all those issues are handled in CRM. And we have human resource as well, because in the company we have all the employees. So we need a system which can handle the employees in and out situation. So there's a module human resource. And also on the other side we have sales. So the organization has to sell the product to customer. So we have the department like sales, so which shows the values, and also it is related to sales to the customer. Yeah. And at the end we have BI, so that is business intelligence. It is important for analyzing the data and making the reports. So in this module we create a lot of reports, and we show to the higher manager that what are the sales value, what are the purchase value, and what are the finance situation. So these all modules are interrelated and integrated into one software that is called ERP, and this is used for larger organization. So hope you have understood my video. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching this video.